Hello everyone, welcome back. My last video was about must-have skills for freshers to get into JP Morgan Chase or top MNCs. Now we will see from where to learn those skills. Much asked question. The problem is there are too many resources, so I have tried to short it down and shortlisted few which might help you. This includes free resources and paid resources. Let's get started. The very first skill we spoke about was Microsoft Excel. Now what all things, I'll be breaking it down into three parts. What you need to learn, free resources and then paid resources. So first, Microsoft Excel. What you need to learn, VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, if statements, if formulas, dashboards, charts, sorting and filtering. इतना सीख लो काफ़ी है. Now from where can you learn it? First, let us list out the free resources. See, for free resources, you have so many YouTube videos listed on YouTube. It can be Leila Gharani, Excel's Fun, and I have also started my Excel series. Module 1 and Module 2 are out. It includes practice exercise also so that you can get hands-on experience. So do check it out and I hope it helps you. So free learnings, Leila Gharani, Excel's Fun, C.A. Chanchal Jain, and Microsoft Learn. For paid learning, we have Maven Analytics, Coursera Excel for Business, and Udemy Excel boot camps. But honestly, you don't have to spend money to learn Excel. You can easily learn Excel by following the YouTube tutorials as mentioned. Now, after Excel comes SQL. Trust me, SQL is scary only in the beginning and after that it's much more logical. Now, what to learn in SQL? Select, group by, where, joins, subqueries. This is where you need to focus on. Now, free resources where you can learn SQL are, again first, YouTube channels, SQL Bolt, W3 Schools, Mode Analytics SQL tutorials, and Alex the Analyst. These are amazing. For paid learning, Joe Sportilla's SQL Bootcamp, DataCamp, Coursera certifications are popular. If you combine Excel and SQL together, you are already in a much better position comparatively for the analytics role. Next is Power BI. This is one of the hottest skill trending right now. See, these days companies don't need just boring numbers. They need data visualization. They need dashboards to make it look interesting. Now, what you need to learn in Power BI is data visualization, dashboard building, DAX basics, Power Query, and storytelling with your data. These are the most important things which you need to learn in Power BI. Don't go in deep, just basics is enough. Now, the free resources where you can learn Power BI are Microsoft Learn, YouTube dashboard projects, and Kaggle datasets. These are enough to start. Coming to paid resources. For paid learnings, you can check out Maven Analytics, then Coursera certifications, and Udemy Power BI courses. These are the paid offerers. Coming to Tableau. Now some companies prefer Tableau instead of Power BI. Tableau is also just another data visualization tool similar to Power BI. And you know what the good news is, that if you learn one data visualization tool, the second one is very easy because it is almost similar. Just the basic configurations need to be figured out. So the free resources where you can learn Tableau are Tableau Public, official Tableau tutorials, and YouTube case studies. These are the great free resources which you can try. Coming to the paid resources. For paid resources, you can check Tableau A to Z on Udemy and Coursera Tableau specializations. These are popular in paid learnings. Now, coming to data analysis. See, learning just the tools are not enough. You need to know how to analyze the data. Anyone can learn how to click the buttons or how to create a dashboard. But how you analyze the data, that is something which makes you stand out. So what you should focus on when you are aiming to learn data analysis is first data cleaning. The more cleaner the data, the easier it is to analyze, because if you have huge amount of data and messier data, then it is very tough to start analyzing it. So first what you need to learn is data cleaning. Next, trend analysis, analyzing the trends, and then business understanding, storytelling, and then problem solving. So the free resources where you can learn data analysis are again Kaggle projects, Alex the Analyst, and case study videos. Coming to paid resources. For paid learning, you can check DataCamp, Google Data Analytics Certificate, and Coursera specializations. Please build projects. This is one of the important tips I would like to give, because only collecting certificates will not matter. You need to build the projects and you need to show them. You need to mention it in your resume or CV that this is the project which I've built. Alright, so next are two bonus skills which we didn't speak about in the first part, but we'll discuss it now. So first one is financial modeling. So if you're interested in finance careers, then you need to learn financial modeling. So what you learn in financial modeling is forecasting, valuation, financial statements, scenario analysis, and business decision making. So this is what you need to learn in financial modeling. Now coming to the free resources, YouTube tutorials, free Excel templates, and Investopedia. So these three are the free resources which you can take help of. And paid learnings. For paid learnings, you have CFI, Corporate Finance Institute, Wall Street Prep, and Udemy Financial Modeling course. So these are the popular ones. Now let's talk about a trending skill which many freshers forget: AI tools. So one important insight which I would like to give you is that AI is not going to replace your job, but someone using AI can definitely replace your job. Yes. So what you need to learn is ChatGPT prompting. This is very basic and much necessary in today's world. ChatGPT prompting, Excel AI features, AI assisted reporting, research automation, and productivity workflows. So this is what you need to learn in today's AI world. If you want to know that how you can learn these 5, comment below and I'll share the detail. So the resources for AI tools will be given in the comment section only, so do comment below. Now one of the biggest mistake which freshers make are they try to learn everything at a time. कि आज Excel सीख लिया, कल SQL सीख लेते हैं, and then Power BI. No, you cannot do it that way. I'll give you a roadmap which you need to follow. First, most important, start with Excel. So start with Excel, then SQL, then go for Power BI or Tableau. Both are not required, Power BI or Tableau, then data analysis, and then financial modeling. At the end, AI tools. And also one of the most important disclaimer which I would like to give here is that please do your own research before buying any of the courses which I have mentioned, because I am not promoting any of the products. This is not a sponsored video. It's just a helping video. There are so many resources online, so I've just picked few and I am guiding you that okay, these are the resources available, you can check online. But I am not promoting these videos. This video is not sponsored. So do your own analysis, do your thorough research, check the reviews, check the curriculum, check the learning outcomes, and check the price as well. So बाद में मुझे आके मत बोलना. There are many free resources available online, so I would suggest you that as much as possible try learning from those free resources online. And then if you really need certification, then you can go for paid learnings as per you based on your own research. I have just given you the names and platforms. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Share it with the people who are in search of these courses but are not finding it. And don't forget to check my Excel exercises. Module 1, Module 2 are already out and people are loving it. They're able to learn Excel from scratch. And they're also trying the exercises mentioned. So do check it out and let me know. And one suggestion which I would like to take from you all is that many people have been asking me that they want to learn Tally. So I am planning to take Tally course as well. So let me know if you are interested and would be in for it. Do let me know in the comments and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.